Basheke bezibuza imibuzo abamelwane bolusapho ngethuba kufika amapolisa endlini yolusapho naye angena ngefestile akhawulelwe izimpukane nevumba elinganyamezelekiyo abamelwane kunye nezihlobo basothukile.
I was very shocked because I was just in town and then one of my guys is from Senegal. There is a policewoman who sent a message and asked, did you know that there is some Congolese family who passed away here? And then when I saw the picture of the house, I knew that is these people.
Abamelwane bathi khange kubekho kwanto abayixoxelayo.
There's a car that always comes to pick up the learners here. I was surprised when it came for several days and the learners never came out.
Amapolisa azaqhuba uphando.
Inside the house, they found the lifeless bodies of a male estimated to be about 44 years old, 2 girls aged 8 and 10, and a boy estimated to be about 3 years old. Inspecting further in the house, in the bedroom, a lifeless body of a female estimated to be about 38 years old was found, and another body of a boy aged about 11 years old was found in the bathroom. No physical injuries were seen on the bodies, but all were found bloated.
Amapolisa athi iziphumo zohlolo lwemizimba zizakhutshwa kwiveki ezayo.